Today I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down, you click here on your name down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click on app settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to maximum image size, click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then here can you select your maximum image size in this list, and you click here on OK. So then it's going to add with you here. That's all you have to do. I wish you are great. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.